The practice of Digital India (GSTN) Goods and Services Tax Network. Goods and Service Tax, or better known as GST, is the new taxation service planned to impose on selling, manufacturing, and using goods and services. It has been designed to replace all the current indirect taxes imposed on goods and services across India. It is a kind of a value added tax imposed by different countries by various goods and services, but the charges are different for different countries. Business entities providing goods and services to the consumer collect it from them and submit it to the government. The key features of GST. It will subsume all the indirect taxes currently levied on goods and services with affecting a single taxation law for them. The declared goods of special importance will be included under this concept as described in the Indian Constitution. The interstate and intrastate transactions of goods will be integrated under one umbrella. In the case of interstate transition of goods, CGST will be levied on them. An additional 1% tax will be levied on goods supply in case of interstate transaction, which will be collected by the center, and center will distribute that amount to the goods origin state to compensate the loss faced due to GST transition. It will not be applicable on petroleum products and alcohol products. The working of GST. GST will abolish different taxation system currently active in various states currently and will change the whole country under one taxation system. All the indirect taxes will be clubbed into two levels of GST, CGST and SGST. As per this act, a dealer will be able to claim a refund on taxes paid in different stages of product value addition, and the consumer will pay the GST charged only by the last dealer of the supply chain. GST will replace multiple taxation system levied on various goods. The GST Council will look after the issues related to goods and services tax and will provide recommendations to the central and states regarding them. This council will be a joint venture of the center and the states and will function under the chairmanship of Union Finance Minister. The advantages of GST. It will omit the state right of making new laws for goods and services taxation. The system of multiple taxes imposed on various goods will be omitted by this law. The consumer can claim a refund on the purchase of a raw material for production from the seller who has already paid the taxes. Input goods will be cheaper to buy from other states. The excise and the customs duty levied supply chain will be changed totally. The end product delivered to the consumer will be cheaper in price due to multiple tax system evasion. The inclusion of newspapers and advertisements under GST regime will help the government to increase its revenue considerably. The interstate transaction goods will be taxed under an integrated GST system in order to avoid any possible conflicts. The disadvantages of GST. With GST, lower taxes will be imposed on many items. As alcohol is out of GST regime, their prices will not get any advantage by this act. Stamp duty is also out of GST regime and will be imposed by states only like now. The impact of GST. It has been expected that GST implication will hugely change the business sector in India by reducing the unfavorable effects of taxation on their cost. It will build a new system for tax structure, computation, credit, utilization, frequency and good supply chain optimization. It is being expected that GST will make tax procedure more transparent and fair as needed in India currently. Also, it is being expected that GST will create a more employment in India and then it will help in economic development. GSTN, that is Goods and Services Tax Network. The GST system project is a unique and a complex IT initiative. It is unique as it seeks for the first time to establish a uniform interface for the taxpayer and a common and a shared IT infrastructure between the center and the states. The portal envisions becoming a trusted national information utility, that is NIU, which provides reliable, efficient, and robust IT backbone for the smooth functioning of the goods and services tax regimen, enabling economic agents to leverage the entire nation as one market with minimal indirect tax compliance cost. GSTN, that is Goods and Services Tax Network, is a non-profit, non-government company which will provide shared IT infrastructure and service to both central and state governments, including taxpayers and other stakeholders. The front-end services of registration, returns, and payments to all taxpayers will be provided by GSTN. It will be the interface between the government and the taxpayers. Source and references. More information about GSTN can be availed by visiting the following URL.